Welcome back to yet another beautiful spot here around my hometown of DeSoto. And yeah, I say that about every time, but here we are, Mammoth Conservation Area. This is a boat ramp I'm on, and I mean it's a boat ramp area. There's plenty of fishing opportunities here from the shore, and my son and I and just me and friends over the years have just fished here. I'll be honest with you, I haven't had a whole lot of luck, but you know, there's people who do have luck, so I'm not dissing it. But yeah, Washington State Park is that direction on the river. Try to think of another put in between here and there. But anyways, it'd be a nice, I never floated this section of the river, honestly. So this is something one day that I would like to do. I think there might be somebody floating right now. There's another Toyota. What's Toyota guy up there? Not part of the club yet. So I think it might be floating. He's got some, adventure type stickers in the back of his window that leads me to believe that he might be, down for an adventure. I just heard some voices upriver. Voices can travel downriver pretty far, echoing down there. So, man, more proud of them, and I'm actually super jealous. If I could have found somebody to do that with today, I still wouldn't have done it because I have my baby. He's napping right now. But if I didn't have my baby, yeah, I'm all game for it. Yeah, it'd been fun as hell today. It's not super cold, but you still have the beauty of the ice on the cliffs and half frozen waters, and it'd have been a really cool time. And even cooler if you would have fell in the water. Yeah, I hopefully these drones. Hopefully you're going to see some drone shots here that yeah, that I took. I'm trying to integrate into my short clips here. Man, on the camera, you know, when you're looking, doing the drone shots, man, I'm like, this is epic, you know, and then they, you know, they're okay sometimes. But yeah, I don't know. This was, you know, I had a few minutes, and it was a nice day, and showcase another yet beautiful area here in, you know, here in Missouri, here in my hometown. That and ice and snow, it's just that much more gorgeous. I haven't been out a whole lot this week in the snow, which I do love. Just other circumstances have, you know, kept me indoors, but that's besides the point. You know, I still enjoy this weather. You know, this is a nice day, and I'm out here in a hoodie. And there's still snow on the ground. It's still enjoyable. It's gloomy and there's a chance of rain. I feel you know, a little drizzle every once in a while. But, you know, hey, you know, life happens sometimes, and you got to do what you got to do. So yeah, Mammoth Conservation Area, 5 miles outside DeSoto H Highway, the Big River. It's the Big River. I don't think I said that. I say a lot, and I'm talking with my hands a lot again. So anyways, I don't want to just keep on rambling here like I always do. I'm going to show you behind you a bridge that we, yeah, never jumped off of. Never jumped off of when we were a child. And, oh, I'm going to pull the camera over. And there's actually, well, I'll just show you now. That cliff right there. Yeah, right there. I don't know how far, but that's at least a 60, 70 foot fall. One of my buddies in high school jumped off of that and is paralyzed for life. He's surviving, but yeah, it's not very deep here. And then that bridge there that we never jumped off of, man, that bridge there, we used to come down here a lot of you know, burnouts that we never did. This used to be a fun place to come after high school. It's not very deep there either, and there used to be a rope swing off of one of those trees over there that was even better. You get way higher than the bridge. But anyways, you know, out of high school, this was a fun place, and I don't think high schoolers these days are much interested in doing these types of things, but you know, I still enjoy this. I still enjoy coming out to this spot. It's pretty, as you've hopefully seen, and hopefully that I've captured. Oh, I don't know if you heard that or not. I might stick around to see if that is kayakers coming down. I can hear them loud and clear now. Sounds like they're having a good time. Anyhow, I think I am done rambling. Again, as anything else happens, I will show you. Oh shit! That was the wind. It got quite windy today. Like I said, there's a chance of storms coming in. It's I feel some more moisture on my face than I have so far. Oh, I see them. There they are. Anyways, I'll probably leave you with a shot of them. But until next time, get found outdoors.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.